What's up with y'all? Y'all know what it is. Back again. It's your boy Raw Ink TV. I got an interesting video let's talk about. But first, I want y'all to make sure y'all like and subscribe if y'all new to my channel. And we're going to get straight into the video. So today's video, I've been talking about, owning your own business and basically having your own clothing brand. So I was going to do a review of opening my printing machine, but I already got it, so I'm not gonna go do a review. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started on it. But first, I want y'all to know that this is not a sponsor or anything like that. This is just something. If you want to start off, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a printing machine. I suggest you just go ahead and get it done, because most people, when they think about it too much, they end up not doing it. And I know there's a lot of printing machines and they're expensive one. I got one on the cheaper end on Amazon, but it basically is something that gets you started. So if y'all know me, y'all know that I'm serious about my work and what I'm doing. So let's get straight into it, y'all. So here we go right here. As y'all can see, this is the printing machine that I got right here. I got it off Amazon. It was about $250, $270, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I'll make sure I'll put the links in the description. Well, basically, it's just something, you just slam down on here and then you print it out like that, just to get it started. You're gonna need something like a label or something like that. So as y'all can see, y'all know my brand, the Raw Ink t-shirts. So y'all see like that. This is one I wore already, but I have brand new stuff. So if you guys really want your merch, y'all can hit me up. So basically, I think you would basically just put it on here, and you have the paper and everything, and you put it on there, and then you would just map it on there, and then boom, hit it down, and then it should make a beeping sound, and then it'll be good to go. So once that's done, the beeping sound come apart, and you let it go, and then boom, it will, it will have your work on there. So as y'all know, being an entrepreneur and everything is definitely, the keys things that you want to do is invest in yourself, invest in your brand. So definitely want to talk about more stuff about being an entrepreneur. It is tough because you're gonna have to fund everything. This stuff is not cheap, y'all. It's not cheap. So just if y'all working 9 to 5, I suggest y'all start stacking up, saving up some money to really start your business going, because y'all gotta look at it like this. Like, you can choose what you want to be in life. You know what I'm saying? They got the workers gonna do all the work and get paid less. Then they might have a lead, they might get like $1 more or $2 more, and then they're just leading you. Then after the lead, it's a supervisor. Supervisors might get paid $3, $4 more dollars, and then they're just watching you work, telling you what to do, stuff like that. Then there's a manager that runs the supervisor, runs probably the whole operation, and then there's the owner that's never in the building. He's probably on vacation with his family. He's probably a millionaire. He probably got 5 businesses. So I just want to tell y'all that, to break it down to y'all, that you can be an owner or you can be a worker. And I just know I wasn't designed to be just a worker. So what I mean, I just want to boss up and own stuff. So I just want to give y'all motivation. Y'all can do it too. It's cheap. Start off cheap, y'all. Don't worry about, oh, it's too cheap, or it might not do this. Like, don't second guess it. Just go ahead, get the stuff, y'all. It's not even that much money. I got a video about how you can start your own studio. Make sure y'all check that out. Check that video out. And I got more videos like this. So if you guys are new to my channel, if y'all new, I need y'all to like this video, because I know there's somebody out there that needed to hear this. So make sure y'all like, drop comments at the bottom of this video, man. Y'all know what it is, Raw Ink TV. I'll catch y'all on my next one. Gone.